Moms, are you looking for an easy, convenient, healthy, wholesome meal recipe? I got one for you. So I'm gonna make a sweet potato with chickpea, avocado, and feta cheese that is absolutely delicious. It's got the right macros, it's healthy, it's fast, convenient for all you moms out there. First thing I do is I get the sweet potato, I cut it open, I cut little holes in it, and then I'm just going to brush some oil, olive oil, and stick it in the oven. 350 for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Once you put the sweet potato in, you're off to the races. You can at least have 45 minutes that you could do other things around the house, make calls, check your emails. My sweet potato is ready. I'm gonna add an avocado into a bowl. Scoop it out. So I added an avocado into the bowl. Now I have a canned organic chickpeas. I'm gonna add into the bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and just mix it all here. And this, if you wanna do 2 sweet potatoes, you're gonna have enough chickpeas. You could just add another avocado. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it. I'm gonna add some pepper and a little bit of garlic powder, because I love garlic. So you're gonna go ahead and stuff your sweet potato with avocado and chickpeas. And you know what? You can honestly add any type of protein, chicken, shrimp, salmon, to this and add it with the avocado, all right? I just like chickpeas with this mixture because I love it. It tastes really good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some feta cheese into this, and I'm ready for a delicious meal. This is such an easy meal to make, so convenient, and it's so healthy. You're getting all the macros that you need. You're getting protein in here, you're getting healthy fats, good complex carbs, especially sweet potato. It's pretty medium and low in the GI index, so it's not gonna spike up your insulin. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make it next time. Let me know if you're gonna make it. If you like this, like and subscribe to my channel.